Hello, welcome to the Clay Tool Stories channel. Today we are borrowing Dad's ute and his kayaks and his shirt and taking over the channel. And we've got Blake. I went to Polytech with Blake. He did a chef course and now he's working in Blenheim.
Yeah man, it's good stuff.
Do you have anything to say, Blake?
Keep this on.
There's Blake's snazzy car. Very fancy. Made it to the beach. Looks like it's high tide. Probably shouldn't say all the time because it sounds like shit. It's probably going to be a pretty weird video because I don't know anything about making videos. I forgot to mention I also borrowed the Gopro with permission, I'm pretty sure. Well, should be good. Blake's struggling with the rope untying.
You know.
Probably doesn't help that it's done in a bit of an interesting method. Good job, Dad. Powering past. On a mission. How do you reckon we should go?
I'll go, man. You're the guide.
Blake doesn't know. I don't know either. Useless. There we go. Burley's down. Blake's trying to tie up onto the back of my boat and he's struggling.
You've moved again.
Look at him. He doesn't know what he's doing. Lines are down. Now we just gotta wait. You may have noticed I've changed my hat. Unfortunately the GoPro doesn't fit on my other hat. That's mildly upsetting, but this hat's pretty cool. Got good sun protection. Blake's got a snapper. Is it keepable? Is it keepable?
What's the size right here?
25. You got a measuring thing on the side. Oh yeah? What is that? Might be a bit of a better size one. Playing alright. Maybe I've got two on. Yeah, two at once. How's that? Oh, that's a hassle. Come on. Again. I'm still trying to sort out these two. Outrageous. So I saw a video of this guy releasing fish, and he was saying that if you drop the fish in, they'll swim away all nice and happy, and if you release them gently, they just float on the surface for a bit and are a bit sad. So I've got a fish on right now, so we're going to test this theory today with all the fish that we release. Well, we got a wee fish here, probably legal, but we'll let it go. We're going to let it go gently. Seems fine to me. Doubles again. Double snappers. Ah, you bastard. Oh no. Good size, that one. Ooh. Blake's got another wee one. Oh yeah. Good. Also good. So the GoPro is behaving strangely and not really turning on, so we might not get much footage. But Blake was just informing us that he feels like God, because he gets to decide which fish live and which fish die. So yeah, small insight into Blake's mind. I was also informed that this GoPro is more valuable than my life. So I've got this bungee attached to it around my neck, so if the GoPro goes down, I go down with it. But hopefully I haven't broken it. I think the GoPro's back to working correctly, which is excellent. Keep that. We got fishy. Oh, it's not bad. It's not bad. Oh. Line. Oh no! Oh, that sucks. I gotta set up a whole new rig. Oh nah, it didn't even break, it slipped the knot. Blake's had his bait robbed. Bloody hell. Got a new setup going. Didn't bring any line to make a trace with, which kind of sucks because my line's really light. So hopefully it doesn't break again. Blake's got a fish, don't know if you can see it. Looks decent. And a little snapper. Release both those. Blake's got something as well, snapper. Woo. Bed. Blake's on. Oh yeah, that looks good. Nice. Blake's struggling a bit, getting spiked. Oh, he almost dropped it. Bloody hell. Oh no, he's gonna have sore hands. Oh. Bloody hell. Alright. This drag's not very good. Oh, we're still going. sound's playing alright. Oh, it's 2. 1, 2. Ugh. I've been experimenting with the throwing versus gently placing for a wee bit now, and it doesn't seem to make a difference. It's fine. Oh yeah, Blake's got a little baby. Lots of fish out here. Fantastic. So we forgot to bring our cloths out today for handling the fish. So lots of getting stabbed and all that while we're trying to sort them out, which is fantastic. Snapper spines in our fingers. Hey Blake,
What?
lots of snapper spines in your fingers?
Oh yeah.
Oh, you got 2 fish in there?
Yeah.
Alright. Good. I think we have a kawai. Oh no, there's a snapper. Was running around lots. Pretty sure I had another fish on there and it's broken the other hook off. So that's exciting, I guess. What was it?
Not a big jerk.
Oh, it was probably a trevally.
Yeah, it's really good.
Bugger. That would have been good. We could have smoked it. Next one. Is that another one?
Yeah,
How many is that now?
oh, I put the last one back.
Oh yeah. What happened, Blake?
It bit me.
It bit you. Blake's getting bit by little snappers. Poor boy. Oh, but this might actually be an interesting fish. Or maybe it's 2 fish. Oh, it's 2 fish. It's 2 fish. Yeah. We think we're getting close to our quota, so we're doing a quick fish count. You keeping count?
Yeah.
So, 8. Yep. And then we might be heading home soon. Blake's just finished counting. We're bang on our quota. So we're going to put the fish all back in the chili bin and head home. Nothing big, just like 27 to 30-ish centimeters. But good feed. Go have some lunch. Oh yep, out of burley. Perfect. Going home. Getting surfed in. Ah! Look at Blake, 2 kayaks at once. Absolute champion. Right, I better help him. Got the kayaks on the roof. I'm gonna go home and have some lunch. What do you think about today's fishing, Blake?
Oh, it's a good time, mate. It's a good time.
Good time. Yep. Caught lots of fish. Didn't lose or break anything other than a little bit of tackle. So yeah, time for lunch. Only downside to our fishing today, Blake got attacked viciously by some snapper. Show us. He's bleeding.
Yeah.
He's got a few other little cuts as well. You gonna be okay?
Oh, I'll be fine, mate.
I've got 2 questions for you. First of all, can you please stop laughing? And secondly, what the hell are you doing with my truck? And my kayaks? And my GoPro on your head? And it rolling? What's the story? And why is he laughing too? It's the third question.
We went fishing.
Right. Just help yourself to Dad's truck, Dad's kayaks, Dad's bait, Dad's burley. And you think it's funny, don't you?
No.
Did you catch fish?
Yep.
Anything decent?
Nothing big, no.
Oh, you're pretty hard. They're spawning right now, so most of them are small. Oh, yeah. Did you keep anything?
Yep.
Okay. Did you have fun?
Yep.
Did you film the whole thing?
I filmed most of it, I think.
Do you know how to edit?
No. I could try.
I'm going to teach you. You're going to edit a video if you've made one, yeah?
Yeah.
But if your camera's pointing on that angle, you might have got most of it, but we'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
Alright, son. So, just for the record, I did tell him he could take the truck at some stage, and I'm not angry with him. And I don't know what he's caught, what he's done, but I'll see that he does a bit of editing for you guys so he can experience the joys of being a YouTuber. Hope you enjoyed my son Jona's clip. Be good, can't be good, be careful, and we'll see you in the next video. See you later. Oh well, we'll do a fade on that one. That was good.